Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So earlier this week, I let you know that Microsoft had rolled out the latest optional bug fix C-release update for Windows 11, 25 and 24H2, which is KB 5095093. And I'll leave the video linked because it had a lot going on in the update. And as mentioned, it included 9 new features, one of which, if we head into our settings, head over to System, Recovery, is a new feature called Point-in-Time Restore. Now, just to let you know, in regards to Point-in-Time Restore, Microsoft has announced that it is now generally available to everyone on Windows 11, obviously if your device is up to date, which is a new built-in recovery capability that it says is designed to recover in minutes instead of hours with confidence by safely rolling a device back to a previous state, and is a quick built-in ability to go back in time to a moment before the issue occurred. And here we can see that it creates a restore point by default every 24 hours, and I have had 2 created since installing the update and the feature becoming available. And I have posted on this previously, but just letting you guys know that it is now generally available. And also, I have seen a couple of comments on the channel asking what's the difference between point-in-time restore and the so-called traditional Windows system recovery or system restore. So if you want to know how point-in-time restore is different from system restore, then Microsoft has provided a nice chart to give us and show us the differences. Point-in-time restore on the left, system restore on the right. Now, I think the biggest difference, which is highlighted here at the top, is that point-in-time restore automatically captures comprehensive restore points on a predictable cadence and stores them locally on the device. And that means a device can be restored to the exact system state captured earlier, which will include the Windows operating system, so that's the OS as a whole, all your installed applications, system and app configurations, your settings, your local user files, where system restore doesn't. It's event triggered or manual only, and user files are excluded from the restore point. So that's the biggest difference. Then you've got reliability, point in time, strict retention and cleanup policies, no retention limits. User experience, point in time, integrated in system settings. System restore is limited to control panel. Storage impact, minimizes storage impact by integrating with reserved storage. Higher impact to storage space. And if we have a look at the little asterisk, it says, note, reserved storage is a Windows feature that sets aside a portion of disk space for successful update installation. And if we head back to that, we can see restore point disk usage. Current usage is 8.3 gigabytes, which is by default set to 2% of your disk, which is a total of 9 gigabytes in total, so it won't go over that. And then here you've got management. Point in time will support robust remote management capabilities where system restore is limited remote management capabilities. So I think the biggest difference between the two is that point in time restore includes your user files that are included in a restore point, where system restore, the so-called legacy system restore, user files are excluded from the restore point. So just wanted to put that out there just to let you know that that has been announced by Microsoft, that it's now available to everyone. Started rolling out with the update. As mentioned, the video will be linked if you want more information. And that's just a quick overview as to the difference in case you were wondering. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.